ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. An immobile element in plant is, options are calcium, potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus. So in plants, during its growth and development, so which involves vegetative phase, reproductive phase and senescent phase, so some of these essential elements are readily mobile from senescing part to the young part. So among these, potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus, they are readily mobile from senescent parts to young growing parts. Whereas calcium is an immobile element since it is associated with middle lamella as a calcium pectate. So it is not readily mobile even from senescent parts to the young parts or growing part. Hence, the correct option among the four is calcium, the first option, which is immobile element in plant. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮಿನರಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಪಠ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿದೆವು. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಠ್ಯವಾದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಠ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚಿಸೋಣ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಠ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು: ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಡಿಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, redifferentiation, plant growth hormones. Plant growth hormones ಅಲ್ಲಿ plant growth promoting hormones and plant growth inhibiting hormones. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ photoperiodism ಮತ್ತು vernalization. So what is growth? So even we have studied about this growth in the first chapter related to the fundamental properties of living organisms. So we discussed growth and reproduction is also one of the fundamental property. So what is growth? Growth is defined as an irreversible increase in the size, volume, biomass, fresh weight, etc. So how do this growth occur in plants? So in plants, the growth is indeterminate. It occurs from germination of the seed to death of the plant. So from birth, we can say till death. Hence, it is indeterminate. So this growth and development is under the regulation of number of growth regulators, so which promote the growth as well as inhibit, which is essential for the developmental processes. So in relation to growth, we will discuss some question. The first question related to this growth is, growth in plants is measured by, the options are fresh weight, dry weight, length, area and volume, cell number. Choose the correct option. So when you look into these parameters, fresh weight, dry weight, length, area and volume, cell number. So as we defined, growth is an irreversible increase in the cell number, size of the cell, volume of the cell, fresh weight and dry weight. Hence, the comprehensive definition defines increase in size, number, fresh weight and dry weight. So hence, all these parameters, fresh weight, dry weight, length, area and volume, cell number, so holds good. Hence, the correct option with relation to growth in plants is D, where all the parameters are correct. Hence, the option D is the right answer. Dear students, we will move on to the next question related to the types of growth. So, in this question, in dash growth of the following mitotic cell division, only one daughter cell continues to divide while the other dash matures. So, we look into the option. The first option A arithmetic, B divide. Second option A geometric, B differentiate. C A arithmetic and B differentiate. D A geometric and B divide. There are two types of growth, arithmetic and geometric. In arithmetic growth, where when one cell divides into two, only one of the cell retains the ability to divide, the other one differentiates, means it loses the ability to divide and differentiate to perform a specific function. Whereas in geometric growth, the cell when it divides and gives rise to two daughter cells, both the daughter cells divide again without any differentiation. Hence, the correct option related to this question is, so in dash growth, that is in arithmetic growth following mitotic cell division, only one daughter cell continues to divide while the other dash matures. So, since it is the arithmetic growth, only one cell divides and the other cell do not divide, it differentiates. Hence, the correct option is C, arithmetic growth, where one cell divides and the other differentiates. We will move on to the next question. The next question is, identify A, B, C in the given graph and choose the correct option accordingly. So, this graph is the growth curve obtained when we plot the size or weight of the organism per unit time. The growth curve is sigmoid or S shape. A, B and C. So, A indicate the growth phase, B also indicate the growth phase and C also indicate a growth phase. A corresponds to the lag phase, which is the slow growth that occur in plants as it adjusts to the surrounding environment, derive the water and nutrients and starts dividing slowly. Hence, it is called lag phase, slow growth. So, once it adjusts to the prevailing conditions, there is rapid growth occur in the plant, that is called as log phase or exponential phase. And when all the nutrients are utilized and the plant starts to differentiate and develop, so the growth again become constant or slows down, it is corresponds to the stationary phase. Hence, the correct option for A, B, C is, so A corresponds to lag phase, B corresponds to log phase and C corresponds to stationary phase. Hence, the correct option is B, A log phase, B log phase, C stationary phase.